Welcome to Eastern. Welcome to Eastern. We're so glad you're here. My name is Maria Martinez and I am the library director. Today I'm going to go through some campus communication. Not to discredit any other video, but you certainly want to watch this one before you get started. Today we're going to talk about webmail, Blackboard, Web Advisor, and just a smidgen about the library. The first thing I want to let you know is your user ID and password are very important. If you're on our website, which you see here, you're going to go down to this area right here, and it says, what is my username and password? You can click on that. You will need your last name and you will need your full social security number. It's okay, it's a secure site. You can put your whole social in there and find out what your username is. Okay. Once you know that, everything else you need lives at the very top of the web page. Webmail, Blackboard, and Web Advisor. So when you come back, go ahead and go there. The first thing that I want to show you is Blackboard. Blackboard is in the middle, right here. And if we click on that, you're going to go down here to log in with Blackboard. And if you learn a little shortcut, it can be vblearn.eosc.edu. Right here, you can put in your username, which is the beginning of your email and what you just looked up, and then your password. If you're new to school, your password is your birthday. Blackboard is where you're going to find all of your class materials. It's very important right now because a lot of you are working online. At any point in time, make sure that you come back to the library if you have any questions. We do email, phone calls, and we can do Zoom meetings with you in the library. So make sure you let us know if you need some help. I'm going to click back here. The next thing we're going to take a look at is Web Advisor, right here. Web Advisor, as I click on it, is a place where you have all kinds of personal information. You're going to have an initial password of the last four of your social security. After that time, you need to make your password, and don't share it with anybody, because your schedule, your money, all kinds of things are there. But you also can go in there and actually next semester you'll be able to register for your classes here. So the way to do that, just keep an eye on the screen, is to go over here to the login. You will have an initial login that looks like this unless you're new. If you're brand new, you're going to have something come up that says, where should my money go? You're going to click on that and you're going to put in either your own bank account or you can choose Herring Bank. Herring Bank is the place where you can get your student ID made into a credit card. If you choose that, you don't have to put in any personal information. Either one is great, and I'm sure you'll learn more about that from financial aid. So this right here is the same user ID. Then your initial password is the last four of your social. When you're successful, you'll see 6 boxes come up. It'll make you put in the last four of your social, and then it'll make you choose a new password. The last one is your webmail. When you click on webmail, you'll notice it'll go to Google. Many of you have already used Gmail. That's what ours are under, but you'll notice like mine is mmartinez@eosc.edu. You're going to have your password. A lot of students leave it at this. That's fine. A lot of them change it because they don't want anybody else to get in, but it is the 8 digits of your birthday. Let me tell you something. Your email is very important. You have to keep up with it. If you want, come to the library. I'll teach you how to forward it to your phone. Okay, well, you have to make an appointment right now at the library, but make an appointment and I'll teach you how to forward it to your phone. Because this is where your teachers will email you. They do it automatically through Blackboard. They just click on, if your name's Jill, they'll click on Jill and it'll automatically go to your EOSC email. So make sure you keep up with this email. There are a couple tricks, so don't be afraid to make an appointment. Come by and see us. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about just a little bit is the library. Obviously, we're going to have these great little things for a while, okay? And the library is going to be by appointment. You will need to either call 918-465-1875 or email me, that's the mmartinez@eosc.edu, and we'll get you an appointment. We have a limited number of computers, a limited number of tables that you can use as long as you get an appointment. We will be open our regular hours, which is 7:30 to 10 Sunday through Thursday, and then on Fridays we're open from 7:30 to 4:30. So just come by and get yourself an appointment and come see us so we can teach you something. Again, I'm Maria Martinez, and if you have any questions ever, be sure to get a hold of us, because I like to say that the library is a little bit like Switzerland. We don't give you grades. We're not your coach. I've had people cry on my shoulder before, and it all works out, okay? So come on by and see us. Thanks.